Alright, this is for late 85. This is Fxsb's lowrider, and Fxef is shit. I don't know exactly what model it is, but here's the factory wiring diagram for you. So again, I'll try to get the best possible view of it that I can, and then you can, pause and try to trace down your situation. If you got any issues or questions or comments, leave them below. I will try to respond to them, try to help you out as much as I can to try to get your bike back up and running on the road. I want all the Harley guys out there to enjoy the summertime and not have your bike, stuck at some mechanic shop or in your garage and just rotting away. So again, man, if you got any questions, post them down below. I'll answer them the best that I can, or somebody else possibly in the comments could help you. And subscribe, and I'll keep posting as many diagrams. And oh, again, if you got a specific issue, like let's say you need torque specifications, you need whatever it is, man, any kind of spec or any kind of repair procedure, post them down below, and then I'll try to post them as quick as I can for you. Thanks again for looking, and take care.